Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to study chapter number 3, integers. Practice set number 8 we are going to complete in today's video. So today we will be studying about subtraction of integer. Addition of integers we have already done. So this is the problem set that we are going to solve, and it is same as we have done the addition. Okay, so addition of integers and subtraction of integers, same thing you all have to use, same properties, same rules you all have to use. Only the thing is that you all have to subtract over here. Okay, in the previous video we added the two integers. Now what kind of numbers you all are going to take, because it is in the form of a table, we will be solving it one by one in the form of sum. Okay, so I will be explaining you first over here, and then I will be solving it in the book. Now what numbers you will be taking if it has been given in the table form? In exam, it will not be given in the table form, it will be given in the form of a sum in this way. Okay, in this way it will be given, but over here they have given in the form of table. So what numbers you will be taking? So see, 3 minus 6, 8 minus 6, minus 3 minus 6, minus 2 minus 6, and then your answer you all have to write it in this column. Same you all have to do 3 minus 9 over here, 8 minus 9 over here, minus 3 minus 9 over here, and minus 2 minus 9 over here. The answer will you all have to be writing. I hope the way of writing the table is clear to everyone, because many of you all were finding key how you all have to write it. I have not prepared a table because it is not possible to show in such a small space if I am preparing a table, so I have done it in the form of a sum. Okay, so I think the pattern, what numbers you all have to take, is clear now. So I will be explaining you in the book itself. You all can refer the textbook also. So the first is 3 minus 6. Alright, so 3 minus 6, the rules that we use is plus and minus, minus. So 6 minus 3 is going to be 3, sign of the bigger number. Second is 8 minus 6. Answer is very easy, 8 minus 6, 2, sign of the bigger number, that is positive. Third one is minus 3 minus 6. So minus and minus will be plus. 6 plus 3 is going to be 9, sign of the bigger number. Okay, so same rules you will see we have used for the addition of integers. Same thing we have used, whatever I am speaking now in the way pattern I have explained, the same thing we have done in the addition. The link of that video has been given in the description box. Fourth one is minus 2 minus 6. So minus and minus will be plus. 6 plus 2 is going to be 8, sign of the bigger number. Alright, so the next pattern that you all have to use is 8 minus 3 minus 9. Okay, now second thing, first we have used this number with the 6. Now again you all have to use these all numbers with 9. Okay, so minus 3, you will see over here only minus 6 is there. Now we will be using minus 9. So 3 minus 9, plus and minus minus. So 3 minus 9 is going to be 6, and 9 is going to be the bigger number. The sign is minus. This one is first one. Second one is 8 minus 9. So 8 minus 9, plus and minus minus. 1 is going to be the answer, sign of the bigger number. Third one is minus 3 minus 9. Minus and minus plus. 9 plus 3 is going to be 12, sign of the bigger number. And the fourth one is minus 2 minus 9. So minus and minus again plus. So 9 plus 2 is going to be 11, sign of the bigger number. Next we will be taking all these numbers along with minus 4. Now this will be little difficult for you all to understand, so watch it properly. 3 minus minus 4. So minus and minus is going to be plus. Okay, so 4 plus 3 is going to be 7. Okay, now over here the plus sign was there. So first you all have to change the sign. Plus 3 minus and minus is going to be plus 4. Okay, so therefore the answer is going to be 7 and the sign of plus is going to come over here. Now many of you all, what you all do over here, you all skip this step and directly you all solve this and write the answer 7 and sign of the bigger number. No, then what will be the answer? Minus 7. It will be wrong. Why? Because you all have not first solved the bracket. पहले bracket solve करना है and then you all have to use the sign. Then only your answer is going to come 7. I hope this is clear. Now second one, I will take one more example, then it will be more clear. 8 minus minus 4. Okay, so first as I said, you all have to change the bracket. So minus and minus will be plus. 8 plus 4 is going to be 12. Third one is going to be minus 3 minus minus 4. So here are so many minus. So minus 3 as it is, minus and minus, plus 4. Now only two signs are there. So minus and plus is going to be minus. So answer will be 1, sign of the bigger number, that is plus. Okay, so you all have to solve whenever there is a bracket and a minus sign, you all have to solve it in 2 steps. Now fourth sum I will be doing it over here, that is minus 2 minus minus 4. So as I said, first solve the bracket. Minus and minus will be plus 4. Plus and minus is going to be minus. 4 minus 2 is going to be 2. Sign of the bigger number, that is plus. Now if you all skip this step, what will be the answer? Minus 2 you will be getting the answer, because using the rules you will be using a wrong method to solve the sum. So this is the correct way. Whenever there is a bracket and an extra minus sign, you all have to solve the sum in 2 pattern. Okay, or 2 steps. Now next you all have to take these numbers and minus 5. So I will solve it over here. First one is 3 minus minus 5. Again over here bracket is there, so we will use 2 steps, that is 3 minus and minus plus 5. So the answer is going to be 8. Second is going to be 3 minus 8. 8 minus minus 5. So again same pattern, minus and minus plus 5. So the answer is going to be 13. Alright, so this step you all have to do. Remember bracket, then you all have to add one more step. Third one is minus 3 minus minus 5. So minus 3 will remain as it is. Minus and minus will be plus 5. Minus and plus minus. So 5 minus 3 is going to be 2 and sign of the bigger number. Got it? So when you solve it in this way, your answer is going to be correct. Minus 2 minus minus 5. So minus 2 will be as it is. Minus and minus will be plus 5. Minus and plus minus 5 minus 2 is going to be 3, sign of the bigger number. Got it? Now what we have to use? We have to use these numbers along with 0. So many of you all are making mistake in solving these sums only because of the bracket thing. You all are getting confused with the steps. So first is going to be 3 minus 0. So the answer is directly going to be 3, isn't it? Second one is going to be 8 minus 0. So the answer is going to be 8. Third one is minus 3 minus 0. So minus and minus is going to be plus, isn't it? The answer will be 3 only, but sign of the bigger number. Over here also many of you all make mistakes. Okay, so remember sign of the bigger number you all have to give. Minus 2 minus 0. So again over here the answer will be 2 and minus will be plus. So the answer is going to be sign of the bigger number, that is minus 2. Alright, now what number you all have to take? These numbers along with my plus 7. So 3 minus plus 7. Okay, so whenever there is a sign along with the integer, you all have to put a bracket. So the answer is going to be minus and plus minus. So 7 minus 3 is going to be 4, sign of the bigger number. Second one is going to be 8 minus plus 7. Minus and plus is going to be minus. So 8 minus 7 is going to be 1. Sign of the bigger number, that is positive. So you have to give a positive number. Third one is going to be minus 3 minus and plus 7. So minus 3 minus and plus is going to be minus 7. Minus and minus will be plus. So 7 plus 3 is going to be 10, and sign of the bigger number, that is minus. I hope it is getting clear to everyone what steps you all have to use. Plus 7. Over here we have taken bracket only because 7 is having a sign. So minus 2 minus and plus will be minus 7. Minus and minus will be plus, so the answer is going to be 9, and sign of the bigger number. While writing only you all have to use the method what I am telling you all. Now we will be using these numbers along with minus 8. So 3 minus 8, minus and minus will be plus, so the answer is going to be 11. 8 minus 8, minus and minus is going to be plus, so the answer is going to be 16. Third one is minus 3 minus 8. So minus 3 as it is, minus and minus will be plus. 8 plus and minus. So 8 minus 5, 8 minus 3 is going to be 5. Sign of the bigger number, that is plus. And the fourth one is minus 2 minus 3. So minus 2 plus 3, because minus and minus is going to be plus. Minus and plus will be minus. So 3 minus 2, 1. Sign of the bigger number, that is plus. Okay, so I think the sum is clear to everyone how you all have to solve. Oh, I think I have made a mistake over here. It was 8 over here, so I have to write 8. 8 plus 2 or minus 2 is going to be 6. Okay, my mistake, I wrote 3 over here, so it should be 8 because we have taken minus 8. And rest you all have to follow in the same pattern as we have done all the sums. The last one is going to be all these numbers along with minus 3. So 3 minus 3, 3 minus and minus plus 3, so answer is going to be 6. 8 minus 3, so 8 minus and minus plus, so the answer is going to be 11. Third one is minus 3 minus 3, so minus 3 minus and minus plus 3, so plus and minus, answer is going to be 0. Fourth one is minus 2 minus 3. Always remember, when there is a sign for the integers, always write a bracket. Minus 2 as it is, minus and minus plus 3, plus and minus. So 3 minus 2 is going to be 1, sign of the bigger number. I hope this exercise is clear to everyone. Now this was a repeat video that I have prepared for the students who were finding it difficult to solve. Okay, so previous video also you all can go and watch. You will be getting the same answer, same method I have used over here, but in this I have explained in a detailed manner so that all the students will be benefited. Even if you all are finding anything difficult, do let me know in the comment section. I will prepare a separate video or a short video for this explaining. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.